How to remove parent email in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Here's how you can remove your parent's email from your Roblox account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your web browser on your mobile device. You can use a Google Chrome web browser if you're using your Android device, and you can go ahead and open your Safari if you're using your iPhone. Then after, simply go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now from the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Settings, go to Account Info, and scroll down to find the email address that is associated with your account. You might also see the parental controls, which is between the subscription and app permissions. In the parental controls, if your parent added their email, you should be able to remove it. If you are 13 or older, you can change the allowed experience settings to 17+, and this lets you remove restrictions on your Roblox account. And this should allow you to remove your parent's email as well. So that's all. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.